Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets for the park Guell online and for the audio guide as well. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you are going to go ahead and be able to purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. So basically by opening up that link, it's going to take you to the official tickets page right here from where we can get started. So you're going to click the check availability option right here. That's going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates for purchasing your tickets. So from here, let's say I want to select for the 11th, I'm going to select my date and then I can go ahead and select what kind of experience I want. Let's say this entry ticket plus the audio guide. I'm going to click on that and then I can select a time slot. Select the time slot that suits you the best and then you can go and take a look at all the types of tickets you have. Let's say only one adult ticket for me. I'm going to click the next button and it's going to take me to this page from where I can get started taking a look at similar experiences. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and then go to the next page where you're going to fill out your personal details such as your first name, last name, phone number, and so on. Once you have filled out all of that, click the next button. So it's going to require your full name as well, as you can see right here. So I'm going to fill that out as well. So by providing your full name and all the rest of the info, you can get started purchasing your tickets. It's going to open up this payment method page where we can go and take a look at all the payment methods available to us. So let's say you want to use debit and credit card. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started filling out our info. Once you fill out all your info and made a purchase, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account. So go into the description of this video, find the first link, and it's going to take you to the ticket page right here to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.